Hello, my name is Toby Coots, and welcome to my work that I've done on the app for MP3. So what I tried to do, or what my vision was for the app, was I wanted to sort of create an opportunity for people to be able to leave comments on the places that already exist on the map. So my first step in doing that was I tried to create a single tap confirmed helper on a marker, which I was having trouble with because I don't think that is a thing. So I didn't really get too far on this section. Um, but I think if I had more time, I would be able to figure it out. I also tried to do adding comments to the info window that pops up when you click on the marker. But that part of the code is a little bit more involved, and I think I would need more time to focus on that part. What I ended up doing for my app, up here, I changed the markers. So you can see when the app starts up, the icons that are on the map will be different, if it starts up. Yeah, and I'll show some of the resources that I used. I had to use Stack Overflow mostly. That was my biggest resource in this whole thing, was to see what code other people have been writing that's similar and seeing how it fits into what I'm doing. I also used the Android library, the developers library, and the Kotlin standard library. Um, yeah, so let me rerun my app. Yeah, so, oh, I was starting up. Okay, so you can see when it starts up, it's got a different logo in the beginning, which I did try to create a separate logo for the startup as from the markers on the map, but for some reason, once I changed the markers on the map, the logo in the beginning changed as well. I also did some work trying to create my own activity layout based off of what was already made in the add place activity. So I kind of like copied it a little bit and added like a ratings bar. And this is the thing that would come up using the one tap helper method theoretically. Um yeah, let's see what else. Yeah, so I guess my biggest challenge was I was having the hardest time figuring out how to actually change the markers. When it came to finding it in the code, I could only find at first the marker.java, which is just built into the library and you can't change it. And it took a while of just looking on Google to figure out how to um, just do it in the main activity.kt by making a value and then making that value equal to the icon that I wanted it to be, and then just setting marker icon to D. And now all of these work. It's not very clean, but again, I think it would just take a little bit more finessing to get it to a little bit of a better state. And yeah, I'm pretty proud of what I've been able to do so far in this class, and I am happy to learn more about computer science. And yeah. So as far as committing the project to Git, I'm gonna commit and push, and then push one file committed, and find it in the Git. And yeah, 20 seconds ago, some change.